Hi coaches, so today I'm going to show you how to add tags to your contacts. So why is this useful? This is especially useful if you have a long list of contacts in your contact list. So for example, if I just want to look for clients I'm currently life coaching, I could just type it down the search bar. The contacts that I do life coaching with would just appear like this. Now I'm going to show you how to tag multiple contacts at once. So it's very simple. All you have to do is come down to the checkboxes and check the contacts you like to add the new tag for. And you could just put in a tag or use an existing one. You can tag multiple tags in one go as well. And there you have it. Now you have new tags to your contact. So you can very easily edit the tag. If you just click on their individual contact record page, it'll bring you here. And if you see this is the add or edit tag button. So if you click on here and you just delete the tag and save, you can remove the tag if it is no longer applicable to your contact. And that's all we have for tagging. So thank you so much for watching.